to another video. As you probably read from the title, I got a new bike and I thought I might want to show you. So let's get right into it. I wanted to show you this thing. This is my Calibre Bossnut Evo. It's got an aluminium frame. I've already ridden it and let me tell you, it's an amazing piece of kit. So let's go through it. On the front it's got an adjustable compression RockShox fork, and on the back it's got an adjustable rebound RockShox rear shock. It's got Shimano disc brakes and a SRAM NX 1x11 drivetrain. On the front it's got a WTB Vigilante 2.3 inch 27.5 inch tyre, and on the back it's got WTB Trail Boss 2.25 inch 27.5 inch wheels. Let's stop talking and get on with the riding, shall we?
I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you and the truth. Don't tell me why. I know you won't save my life, save my life. Baby, keep on you're making the waves. You and I will never be safe, be safe. If the walls come down, will you pick me off the ground?
Thanks for watching. If you want to go pick yourself up a Bossnut or just look at all the parts, I've left a link in the description. Please like, comment and subscribe, and as always, keep on shredding.